Hello everyone, this is Tunch and welcome to the first lesson of the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. And today we're going to be learning how to play the song, both chords and the rhythm. So I'm just going to cover all the things in one video here. It's going to be very straightforward and yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so most of the song is simply A, D, A, D, A, and in the middle somewhere we're gonna put the E chord, okay? So in the beginning, the first line of the song starts with two A's, and then we're gonna do, so like this. Okay, and then we have a D chord, A. So that was the first two lines there. So he goes like, and the third and fourth line is going to be A, D, A. So okay, so simply in the beginning we have A and then A, D, A, and then one more A, D, A. Okay, I know it's a little bit confusing, but I will put the link to the sort of chord order with the lyrics under it. So it's gonna be much easier if you just have it in front of you, sort of going through like that. Okay, and the rhythm is, like I said, it's gonna be very easy, just down, down. It's not a fast song. If you listen to the song, you would notice it. It's not a song that you can play with the rhythm. I mean, you can play, but it won't match, or it wouldn't sound as good as you would play it slower. So one good point here that I want to mention here is because it's A, D, in the bar chord version, what we have to do is, I assume you guys know what A chord is in the bar chord. Simply 5th fret, bar, and then an E major chord, like that. And D chord is very similar to this. What we have to do is we're gonna keep this bar, and then we're gonna change these three fingers into an A chord. Okay, so 4th, 3rd, 2nd string on the 7th fret, and then a bar on the 5th. So all I have to change is simply this. In open chords, it's simply A and D. You can play it both ways. I don't really care, but I usually prefer this way. Okay, that's about it. And if you have any questions or anything, or any concerns, you can put it in the comment section. Otherwise, class dismissed. See you then. Bye bye.